No, it's wrong what you are doing. It's wrong. It's wrong what you are doing. Why? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? You are getting your gun to shoot us. Why are you shooting us? You are going to shoot us for what?
You tagged this road up already?
No, we tagged the road. We are doing our job. But
oh, shit, you don't know.
Were you not made aware by the CLO? Why are you fighting us?
You are, watch, I'm going to shoot the kill you.
You are going to shoot and kill us for what?
Watch me now.
Why are you going to shoot and kill us? What is the point of shooting? Because we are doing our job.
You're not going to fucking dig here. I will shoot you if you fucking dig here.
You
You understand me?
But sir,
You're not going to dig
we
here.
did send the CLO to notify you guys.
I couldn't give two fucks what you sent here, man.
You don't care the fuck.
I don't.
But sir,
If you prevent my guests from going out here, I will fucking sue you today for
but then
$100,000
sir,
minimum.
we are doing our job. For us to
Listen,
finish this project, we have to
Bring
do
your
this thing.
fucking consultant here now.
I must bring who? The
Your
fucking
consultant,
consultant.
yes.
But sir, we are doing our
You
job.
bring your
Can you give us
consultant
time?
here now.
Can you please give us time so that
I'm
we
not
can
giving
finish?
you any time to dig here.
Please, sir. Please.
I'm telling you now,
Please.
you mark my words.
But why are you threatening us about shooting us with guns? What
Oh,
is the
fuck,
guns
I
for?
told him this morning
Who?
he's not to do it. That little fucker you sent me.
But sir, there's no reason for
listen.
what you are doing. There's no reason.
There's
You are
no
delaying the
reason.
project.
You
this
have
is the second.
not-
This is the
listen to me.
second time you are doing this to this
You
project.
have no right to block me from going out.
Sir, this is the second time you are doing this to this
I am going to
project.
do it. And I'm warning
But
you.
it's the second time you are doing this thing.
I'm fucking had you guys. Hang
Sir,
on.
it is wrong what you are doing. Now
What?
your friend is going to fetch his gun. Why? A gun for what?
I'll fucking you. I'm telling you now, you block my guests from going out here.
Sir,
you will hop.
Can you please give us time? We want to
I'm not
finish the
giving you any
project.
fucking time.
Please.
I've had it.
Sir,
I'm not giving you any
if,
time.
If you give us time, we will be done. There's no reason for guns. What is the gun
Listen,
for?
just listen. Who gives you the fucking right
The
to come and block
municipality.
us
The
here?
municipality gave us the
You
permission
get the
to work here.
municipality here now then.
Please,
Get
sir.
them here now.
Please, there's no reason
will
for fighting.
not do it.
Can you please understand?
I'm
There's
not
no reason for
understanding
fighting.
anything.
Please.
You came and buggered us around
Now
here last
you are
time.
bringing the gun now.
Today's your last day.
You better
No.
fucking run, my friend. You better fucking run, I'm warning you.
No, there's no reason for shooting. Charlie, why are you hitting me?
Charlie.
why are you hitting
Charlie,
me?
stop it.
You are hitting the cello now. Charlie, it's wrong what you are doing.
Why?
It's wrong, no.
Outside, Charlie.
You are assaulting us now for no reason, Charlie. You are assaulting us for no reason.